This is Microsoft Sam, and today I'll be looking at some pictures of cats. I wonder if they will be funny. Let's go check them out, because Gatorworks wants me to go look at them. Here we go. Here is a picture of a cat named Daisy. Bob the Builder is sick. I'm Daisy the Destroyer. Here is a picture of Boss Cat. Boss Cat is giving you a crappy review and is leaving it in your file. Oh no. I'm in trouble. Here is a picture of a cat. Tell you what, all I got left is the dog. Deal me in. That was a big hit. Rule number 1 of tree climbing. Oh, look who it is. It's Kelly the cool cat. Trees should be bigger than you. Try climbing a big tall bush that is a weed. Hey, look at the cat. I comes to plunder your living room. Better hide the cans of tuna. Tiger says, I divided the room. Left side's mine. So's the right. Is that a cord he is using? She said, I tried vegetarian, it was blah. She must not really like it. Skittles, please get off of that bed right now. Plush new kitty bed, $65. Finding a comfy, although slightly cramped place to sleep in spite of it, priceless. Invisible chin scratches. That is pretty funny. Next cat picture. This cat says, heard you needed a LOL, getting there quick, as I can. Try asking her out in a date. You want? K, but this may only one. My daddeh, he loves me. Wow. I didn't know that. Crocs. Even the cat knows you shouldn't be seen in public wearing them. This picture is very funny. They'll never find me here. Oh yes they will. If you can. If you can what? Try saying this 3 times fast. So you are throwing a little barbecue today, huh? I guess my invitation was lost in 10 mail. Don't forget the sauce. We're almost done. Just a few pictures more and then we will need to close up shop. Dumbledore dies. Now feed me. What is your problem, you kitty? No. No milks. They got waters. You want a water? Sure. I'll take a water any day. If not for sits. Why is it made of worm? IKEA cat. Some assembly required. Very interesting too. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this film. We'll see you next time. Next time I'll be playing pinball for you guys. Bye.